Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to change voice on your Bible app. Now if you want to change the voice on your Bible app and if you want to listen it on different voice or different tone, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to change the voice on your Bible app, then you need to simply open Bible app on a device and make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi and make sure that you are also logged into here. So after that, open Bible app on a device and this is the home page of Bible app. So here you will see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the top taskbar. So click on the option of Bible at the very center of the page, and here you will see various options like the book or you are reading, CSB, the speaker like icon, and various options on the bottom taskbar. Now if you click on the play icon, you will see here a voice like this. Now if you want to change this voice, then you need to simply click on the option of CSB or something written at the very top of the page, which will be written on the very right side of the book name. So click on it and here you'll see the 76 English version of the page, and now you may simply select the voice which you think is good for you. So here there are various options, so click on it, and from now you will be able to change the voice, and that's it. That's how you can change voice on Bible. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.